Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been editing your photos only to find that pesky yellow discoloration ruining the shot? Whether it's caused by tricky warm indoor lighting, old scanned photographs, or just an incorrect camera white balance setting, that unwanted yellow tint can really take the life out of your work. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove yellow discoloration in photos in Photoshop using two professional methods that will bring your colors back to life. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your workflow, these techniques will make your edits look natural and clean. If this tutorial helps you get that perfect look, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop mastery tips. Let's start with our first method, which is the color balance adjustment. This is a very quick and effective fix for most images. First, open your image in Photoshop. Make sure your layer is selected, then navigate up to the Layer menu. Select New Adjustment Layer and choose Color Balance. Once the Properties panel opens, focus on the sliders. You will want to move the bottom slider, labeled Yellow and Blue, slowly toward the blue side. You will see the yellow tint begin to fade away as you introduce more blue. My tip here is to start by adjusting the midtones, which covers the majority of the image. If the yellow seems to persist in the brightest parts of your photo, toggle the setting to Highlights and repeat the process. It's all about finding that perfect balance, where the skin tones or backgrounds look neutral rather than washed out. Now let us move on to the second method, which is my personal favorite, the Camera Raw filter. This is truly the best overall method for high-quality global color correction. To get started, go up to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw Filter. You will be greeted with a powerful dashboard. Look for the temperature slider and drag it toward the blue side to cool down the overall image. If you still see a greenish-yellow residue, head over to the Tint slider and make subtle adjustments to pull those colors back to center. You can also fine-tune your whites and highlights in the Basic tab if the yellow cast is affecting the brightest areas of the image. This tool allows for so much precision that you can save even the most difficult photos with just a few drags of a slider. Once you are happy with the color balance, just hit OK to apply the changes. Remember, you can always go back and tweak these settings if you feel you have overcorrected. By using these two methods, you can salvage almost any photo with yellow discoloration. If you found this guide helpful for your editing projects, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content coming your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.